Welcome back to Lily's Everyday, everybody. Today we're going to be making pot roast in the slow cooker. For the pot roast, we're going to be needing some chunk roast. I have almost a 4-pounder here. We're also going to be needing 1 large onion, roughly chopped, 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, 2 tablespoons of paprika, salt and pepper to your taste. Beef broth, I have 2 boxes over here and they're about 30 to 40 ounces each. We're also going to need Worcestershire sauce, A1 sauce, and tomato sauce. Let's get started. First off, we're going to go ahead and salt and pepper both sides of the beef very well. You want to do 1 teaspoon of salt per pound of beef and half a teaspoon of pepper per pound of beef. So follow that rule, you will get it right. As my beef is marinating, I'm going to go ahead and get the liquids and the sauces in my slow cooker. I'm going to go ahead and pour the beef broth, the sauces, garlic, salt, pepper, and the onions into the slow cooker and have it warm up and come to temperature so that once I sear the beef, it's ready to be submerged into the liquid. I have a heavy-set pan on high heat. Once it's hot enough, we're going to go ahead and drizzle some oil, and then we're going to go ahead and put the meat in there and sear it on both sides. Look at the sear on this thing. This is what's going to really seal in the flavor and keep the flavor of the beef in there. It's going to be so tender once we're finished cooking it in the crock pot or in the slow cooker that it's going to be literally falling apart and melting in. Once the meat has been seared on both sides, I'm going to go ahead and submerge it into the liquid, cover it with the lid, put it on high, and cook it for about 4 hours. After 4 hours, our beef is ready, guys, and just look how tender this is. It is literally falling apart in the pot. If you guys do try this recipe at home, I do highly recommend for you to reserve the liquid so any uneven portion could be resubmerged in and it'll keep your beef moist. You can also make gravy with this liquid. If you guys do try this recipe, make sure you do comment down below. Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell if you haven't already. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate it. See you guys back soon.